These new inventions make our trucks safer and more efficient. They also show how transportation technology is improving for the future. Highway hammocks. The highway hammocks help a truck driver rest comfortable on a long trips. Made from strong fiber that hold up to 150 kg, they can be installed inside the truck cabin in just 10 minutes. Studies show driver how use these hammocks feel 30% less tired and driver 25% better. Since they help drivers sleep well, they reduce failure-related accident by 20%, making long trips safer. Right truck systems. The right truck systems make a special trucks that help heavy trucks driving better on our rough trains. These trucks made from a strong, long-lasting materials last over 10 years. They improve grip by 40%, making driving safer in mud, snow, and other difficult conditions. They are easy to install and fit many types of vehicles. Tests show they increase work efficiency by 30% and reduce fuel use by 25%. BMF Repsoon Drive System. The BMF Repsoon Drive System improve how trucks more by making power distribution smoother. With high perception part, it increase acceleration by 25% and improve fuel efficiency by 15%. It is built to last more than 2 lakhs km under tough use. It also reduces maintenance needs, lowering downtime by 20% and cutting cost by 80%. With smart electronics for real-time adjustment, it improves handling and stability for our big trucks. Man front reduction. The man front reduction system makes a truck safer by helps drivers see obstacles and avoid crashes. It uses smart sensor and reader to detect things up to 200 meters ahead, like people, car, and objects. The system gives a clear warning, help a driver react quickly and reducing accident by 30%. It works well in all weather and at speed from 0 to 120 km per hour, making driving safer on both city road and highway. Milwaukee Road Show. The Milwaukee Road Show is a mobile workshop that lets workers try out the latest tools. It carries over 200 tools and travels to different places to give live demonstrations and trainings. Built inside a strong trailer, it keeps tools safe while moving. Each event attracts over 500 people and 95 say they feel more confident using the tools afterward. This leads to 30% increase in tool sales. Stringer Streaker 8500. The Stringer Streaker 8500 is a machine that helps load and transport vehicles more easily. It can lift up to 8,500 pounds, making it simple to lead multiple vehicles quickly. Its hydraulic system runs smoothly and cuts loading time by 50%. Made from strong steel, it lasts over 15 years. Safety features reduce accident and tests show it boosts work efficiency by 30% and cuts labor cost by 20%. Astubal Heavy Wash Intra Wash. The Astubal Heavy Wash Intra Wash is an advanced truck cleaning system that keeps large vehicles clean. It uses high pressure nozzles, spinning brushes, and eco friendly soaps to remove 99% of dirt in one wash. Made from industrial grade material, it lasts over 10 years with a little maintenance. The automatic system cleans 50 trucks per day and cut water use by 60%. Keeping trucks clean with this system help them last 25% longer, saving money in the long run. Harsh Flip and Go. The Harsh Flip and Go is a special truck bed cover that makes loading and unloading cargo faster and easier. It opens quickly, saving up to 50% of the work time. Made from strong weatherproof material, it lasts over 10 years even with heavy use. It can be set up in 30 seconds, reducing delay and work cost. It also secure loads up to 1000 kg, protecting goods while transporting them. This makes it a good tool for trucking and delivery businesses. Hollow Tire Inflator. The hollow tire inflator is an automatic system that keeps truck tire at the right pressure. It uses smart sensor to check and adjust air level, keeping pressure within 2 psi of the best setting. This improves fuel use by 10%, saving money from trucking companies. It also makes tire last 20% longer and lower the risk of tire blow out by 50%. The system works in all temperature and can be installed in 30 minutes. iCap Security. iCap Security is a high-tech system that protects truck and cargo. It uses HD cameras, motion sensors, and real-time alert to watch for danger. With 360 degrees coverage, it removes blind spot and helps driver stay aware of their surroundings. It works in extreme temperature from -40 centigrade to 70 centigrade. Studies show it reduces theft and vandalism by 70%. The system is easy to install, has night vision, and allows remote monitoring, making it perfect for modern security needs.